Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to multiply in Excel. So I guarantee you this would be the easiest tutorial you have ever seen. So I'll make you the easiest for you. So let's get into the video. First, open an Excel sheet. And let's say you want to multiply these two digits or two columns here, and you want to keep it in this column. Let's name it. Okay, then just click on the equals to, right equals to, and then click on the first column that you want to multiply for, and give the multiplication. Oops, sorry. And select again, and then click the multiplication sign and click on the other digit you want to multiply, and then just press on enter. Here you can see your multiplication is completed. Put a cursor on it and simply drag it down, and here you can see it's all are done for this uh, table. Let's delete it, it has some problem. Well, this is how you can do it. Okay, so I hope this video helps you. If it does, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye for today.